This video is just to show you how to remove a thermostat from a 2008 Toyota Sienna. It's very easy, not that difficult as I thought it would be. First thing I did, remove 1, 2, 3 bolts. Then I loosened this bolt. Then I loosened this bolt. You may wonder why. This is the reason. You can take them out. Check this. 1, 2, 3. Loosen them already. So what I did was I slipped this out to the side, rotate it up, move it to the side like this, so it's out the way. Then I remove the radiator hose. Then next thing you do, you get a long release the tension from the belt. This long wrench goes down to the tensioner, push it forward, and then you release the belt from the alternator. Then you remove the top idle pulley. Once you remove that idle pulley, you find out that it is not that. You will see 2 bolts. Once you see 2 bolts, there's a small 1/4 inch number 10 swivel, which I use with about 6-inch extension. I push it through here, through the side. Right under there, you'll find 1 bolt. And kind of difficult to get to. Then under the bottom right there, you'll find the other bolt. Once you release that and you remove the pulley, you remove this idle pulley, then it is a breeze. But not just that, you have to be extra careful because there's a washer on the pulley that will fall down, and also the number 10 bolt that is there that will also fall down. So sometimes you have to put your hand under this to catch it, and then to even to put it back. So that was a simple one. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.